Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I still think there is a chance that this could be the end of an ABC correction. We got impulsive down, we got three waves up. Now we have to see if this move down is a wave C like that and then turns back up, or whether this move down is a wave 3 and it actually just continues to make impulsive moves down and lower lows, lower highs. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I said, it looks to me like we got impulsive down. It looks like we got three waves up. I think there's a good chance this move up right here could make a lower high compared to this right here, and I think there's a good chance we are going to go down again. The question is going to be whether this is an ABC correction to the move up on the 4 hour time frame, or whether this is a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. I'm definitely leaning towards 1, 2, 3, just because I know that the much higher time frames are all still in a very big downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.